Enjoy watching A Day with Ethan, Sing Pair Stories, Pokemon Masters. Two options. First one, first option. Second run, second option.
Hey! You got it!
On top of Cyndaquil.
All right! That was awesome! Hey! All right!
Nice sound effects.
Hey!
I got it covered.
All right!
Still early. It's still bright.
You're on a roll!
And with that said, guys, that was the first option. We'll do a second run with the second option. Enjoy watching.
Hey!
I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Yeah. All right!
All right.
That was awesome! Hey!
That was awesome.
All right! Hey!
I never said I was lost. I said I was hungry.
All right! You're on a roll!
And that was it, guys. That was Sing Pair Stories, Ethan, or A Day with Ethan. Thank you for watching.